We're super excited about our latest review. We work very hard to meet everyone's needs, and we really value hearing 5-star reviews like this one. Now we're sharing it with you. This is exactly why we try so hard to satisfy everyone we meet. When we receive glowing reviews like this one, it helps us know we're fulfilling our commitment to provide a first-class experience. We take pride in our 5-star service rating. We're very loyal to everyone we serve, and in turn, we receive incredible loyalty. See, and you'll be amazed. Thank you for taking the time to visit with us today. We look forward to speaking with you. We're only one call away from serving you.